know your data is perfect and repeatable. Whether you are working on a publication or on a project with a collaborator, you want the data from your instrument to be reliable. It must generate consistently precise and accurate results. Normal wear and tear on your equipment is inevitable and may introduce bias in your readings. You count on your WPI equipment for accurate laboratory results. Keeping your WPI equipment performing well year after year requires routine maintenance. No matter how careful you are or how clean your lab is, wear is inevitable. To keep you on the cutting edge, WPI recommends annual checkups for pumps and electronic equipment. A standard annual checkup includes cleaning and calibration or verification by a qualified WPI technician. For a flat fee of $125, WPI will calibrate or verify your equipment against WPI internal standards using NIST traceable equipment. Get your equipment calibrated or verified at the WPI Service Center for a nominal fee and ensure the data you generate with your WPI equipment is trustworthy.